What if I told you the electric SUV you've been waiting for, bold, beautifully designed, and priced for the real world, has finally arrived? And not just any SUV, but a trailblazer wrapped in a shade so mesmerizing it could make even the most jaded petrolhead pause. Meet the 2026 Rivian R2, and more specifically, in its drop-dead stunning Pierrot green finish. This isn't just another compact EV. This is a future of adventure, accessible, efficient, and stylish beyond reason. Welcome back to the channel, where we cut through the noise to bring you the most meaningful vehicles shaping tomorrow's roads. And today, we're diving deep into the R2, arguably the most important vehicle Rivian has launched since the original R1T changed the game. If you thought Rivian was just for tech elites and off-road enthusiasts, the R2 is here to tell you otherwise. So let's talk design. Pierrot green is no gimmick. It's a statement. Under sunlight, it shifts subtly between mossy richness and metallic shimmer. It's an homage to nature, to movement, to the kind of buyer Rivian is clearly aiming for, someone who values sustainability and aesthetics. This color isn't just about standing out. It's about blending in the most intentional way possible. But this SUV isn't all about appearances. Underneath that sleek, sculpted exterior lies a platform engineered for real-world adventure. The R2 shares DNA with its bigger siblings, but it's more compact, more affordable, and more refined in its intent. We're looking at a dual-motor setup capable of sub-4-second 0 to 60 sprints, paired with Rivian's updated skateboard chassis that promises nimble handling and a lower center of gravity. Off-road credibility? Still intact. Towing capability? Rivian says it'll pull over 5,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. And then there's the range, projected at over 300 miles for the dual-motor AWD version. But here's the kicker. Rivian's done it without bloating the vehicle with unnecessary battery weight. Instead, they've optimized the efficiency of the motors, the software, and even the aerodynamics. This thing cuts through the air like it belongs on a different continent altogether. Inside, it's a minimalist sanctuary. Recycled materials meet natural finishes in a cabin that feels more Scandinavian than Silicon Valley. But don't mistake simple for sparse. You've got a panoramic roof, dual display setup, a new version of Rivian software that's finally maturing into something truly intuitive, and a rear seat that folds entirely flat for those impromptu camping nights or road trip hauls. Here's the thing. Rivian didn't build the R2 just to fill a segment. They built it to define one. As starting price around $$45,000, this isn't a niche product anymore. This is a full-fledged assault on everything from the Model Y to the Ford Mustang Mach-E. But it does it with a sense of soul, something many competitors still lack. And don't underestimate the importance of character. The R2, especially in Pierrot green, feels like a vehicle designed by people who actually drive, explore, and understand that a car isn't just a tech appliance. It's an extension of you. It's how you show up in the world. As we move closer to the 2026 model year, expect this SUV to be a watershed moment, not just for Rivian, but for the EV market as a whole. The R2 proves that electrification doesn't have to mean compromise. It can mean personality. It can mean passion. And yes, it can mean practical adventure without breaking the bank. If you're as captivated by this vehicle as we are, hit that like button. It helps us bring more in-depth stories like this straight to your screen. Got questions about Rivian's tech, charging, or whether the R2 fits into your lifestyle? Drop them in the comments. We read every one. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more deep dives into the vehicles that matter most. Because this isn't just about what we drive. It's about where we're going.